Hello everyone, this is Jim from MyMac. In this video, I will introduce
AHI Underground Explosion-Proof Cleaning Sweeper Truck.
AHI is the professional mining truck manufacturer
that producing open-pit mining transportation equipment, underground mining transportation equipment, intelligent mining equipment, special mining equipment.
AHI's underground explosion-proof cleaning sweeper truck
is designed specifically for underground mines, adapting to complex, damp, and dusty environments while ensuring safe use in explosive atmospheres. This truck is equipped with an efficient spraying system that effectively reduces dust concentration and improves air quality.
It adopts explosion-proof design.
It conserves energy and minimizes water waste. The AHI Underground Explosion-Proof Cleaning Sweeper Truck has a simple operation interface and a rational structure that facilitates daily maintenance, reducing operational costs. AHI Underground Explosion-Proof Cleaning Sweeper Truck driveform is 4x4 four-wheel drive,
ensuring excellent passing ability in a variety of difficult terrains.
Its steering form is front-wheel steering, and the vehicle size is controlled within 6,500mm by 2,000mm by 2,400mm, which is suitable for flexible operation in narrow channels. AHI Underground Explosion-Proof Cleaning Sweeper Truck
is equipped with a 1 cubic meter water tank
and a 2.5 cubic meter trash bin, offering a cleaning capacity exceeding 40,000 square meters per hour, with an efficiency rate of up to 99%, meeting the demands of continuous operation. With its superior performance, it is an ideal choice for enhancing work efficiency and ensuring work safety.
Thanks for your time with us. Welcome to contact MyMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.mymac.com.